Downloaded an MSU file from Microsoft's Update Catalog and not sure how to install it? This is a Windows Update package ready for manual deployment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll walk you through installing and managing these standalone update packages. I'm saving the most convenient solution for last. We will demonstrate the power of a single MSU file inspection application that effortlessly manages complex troubleshooting across all file formats. MSU Files are Windows Update standalone package files containing one or more KB files with system updates, security patches, hotfixes, or feature packages for Windows operating systems. They are downloaded from the Microsoft Update Catalog for manual installation on systems that cannot use Windows Update directly. MSU Files use a KB compressed archive format containing Windows Update package metadata, an XML manifest file, describing the update contents and one or more KB archives with the actual update binaries. The Windows Update standalone installer, WUSA, processes MSU packages for system integration and installation. The MSU format was designed to be handled by Windows Update standalone installer from Microsoft Corporation. The system requires the file to pass specific authenticity checks not performed by Windows Explorer. Windows restricts access to these files because improper edits can disrupt core functions. We're checking the integrity of the format. Right-click your MSU file and click Open With. If Windows Update Standalone Installer is installed, start there. If it's not, try another option. The solution is usually hidden within one of your apps. If your MSU file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. We've got this under control. If the MSU file is still closed, it's one of three basic reasons. Here is a list with the common problems and how to check each one. First, installing the update. Double-click the MSU file to launch the Windows Update standalone installer, which validates the package checks prerequisites and installs the update. Accept the license agreement if prompted and wait for installation to complete. Restart your computer when prompted to finalize the update installation and apply system changes. Next, command line installation. Open command prompt as administrator and run WUSA update MSU quiet nor start for silent installation. Add log path log file ttxt for installation logging. For deployment scripts, use WUSA with the extract switch to extract cab contents to a specified directory for DISM-based installation on multiple systems. Finally, troubleshooting installation errors. If MSU installation fails, check the cbs.log file and see Windows Art logs as CBS for detailed error messages. Common issues include missing prerequisites or already installed updates. Run DISM online, clean up image, restore health, followed by SFC Scano to repair Windows component store corruption before retrying the MSU installation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.